Now that we have the prompt for our image, simply copy it and let's move over to Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-to-image software that transforms your prompts into stunning visuals. For more details on how it works and how to operate it, please check Module 8, Midjourney. Now, just paste a prompt into the working box and generate your image. Keep in mind that you won't always get the perfect result on the first try. If you're not satisfied with the outcome, simply rerun the prompt or go back to ChatGPT to make adjustments. You can add more details to your prompt, change the background, adjust camera angles, or modify how the kitten is dressed to better match your vision. For more tips on crafting better prompts, check out Module 7, Prompting. For this video, we'll go with one of these generated images and move forward. To keep the characters consistent throughout your story, simply tell ChatGPT that you want the same cat in the next image. For example, you can say, the same anthropomorphic female cat is in a warm, rustic kitchen, cooking a meal. Once you've created your prompt, simply copy it and paste it into Midjourney to generate your next image. Repeat this process until you have all the images you need to complete your video.